Next, we're going to make the custard. This is the cheddar custard, what it looks like when it's completed. So all the ingredients that goes in. So we're going to do is just add everything into the pot, bring it to the boil, let everything dissolve and melt. And we have our tart shells here. So I'll show you how to assemble this before we move on to the choux. So this is the cheddar custard. Nice consistency we have. Just going to pipe a little bit in the bottom. Done that. Then we do our fig and apple chutney on top. Finish off with the apples that we've cooked down. There's a nice amount on it. Just build that, and then after we're done, here we have some cinnamon sugar. So it's just cinnamon, a little bit of salt, just a touch, and some sugar. After that, we'll just dust a little bit over the top, just to add a little bit more of a different texture experience as well in that. And then we garnish with just a little bit of micro herb, some shiso, just to add another different complexity to it. Okay, so that's the custard tart for the high tea. So you just want to make sure with every mix, all the eggs is incorporated in there. And then you add the next egg. And then same thing, you just keep doing that. So if this is too hot as well, it won't absorb as much eggs. So we wanted to get more eggs in there so it creates a nice consistency when you bake it, so it's nice and hollow in the middle. If it's not hollow in the middle, it means you didn't cook the flour enough and it's absorbed too much of the eggs and not separated, okay? So we want to make sure we get it to the right consistency. So we want the choux to evaporate the liquid out, and so that way it grows and bakes nice and round. Okay. Okay. Also, when we're piping, we want to give it a little bit of space as well, because when they do bake, they will expand, and you don't want them touching together and then they'll be ruined.